What's up, everyone? Thanks for tuning in. Today we're looking at a 1991 Honda Civic Si. We're here with Brent. He has the Instagram page, Great Lakes Vintage Honda. Tell us a little bit about your 1991 Honda Civic here.
So this was what's known as the EF chassis code in the Honda speak, I guess you would call it. And these were made from about 1988 to 1991. This is a final year example. And they came in a variety of option packages. There was DX, I think you get LX, and then you could get the SI in the hatchback. You could also get the CRX, which obviously was a little different model, strictly a two-seater car. This was the hatchback form of that chassis, and you could get the SI version, which this one is, in one of four colors. You could get it in red, white, black, and then for 1991 only, you could get it in this color, which is Tahitian green pearl.
Wow. You don't really see colors like this too often anymore.
No, it's a very late 80s, early 90s color for sure.
Yeah. Pretty color.
Beautiful color. Yep.
A little walk around, show you. The original hubcaps on here. Super clean. Go ahead and show you the interior. Look at that. That's amazing. With the bolstering on these seats is like perfect. It's one thing about Hondas, their interiors really hold up. Could we pop the hood on this one?
Absolutely.
Little exhaust tips.
So these came with a 1.6 liter single overhead cam engine. I think they made right around 105 horsepower.
Nice. Is this similar to what the CRX has?
Yep, same engine.
Okay.
As far as the SI, yes. Yep.
Nice. Cool, thank you.
Absolutely.
Emergency release for seatbelt. Located on buckle. Got the seatbelts on the doors. 47,000 miles. Nice moonroof. Alright, well, stay tuned. We're going to take this baby for a spin. Blessed with another beautiful day in Michigan. Cruising around some Civic SIs. Warm today, actually. It's going to be almost 80, and it's almost Halloween, so it's not very typical in Michigan. So we decided to go for a drive. see is incredibly clean. Another one of those time capsule situations here. Can't go that way. Seem to interrupt our roads a little. No problem, we have Brent here. Local to the area, so these old Hondas on these back roads is so much fun. Hey, thanks for watching. Sorry I had to cut this video a little short. Got caught in some construction. Not always ideal, but I can't complain when you're getting to drive a classic Honda, you know. So be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll be able to put some more cool videos out. Appreciate it.